More details emerging now on Operation Sindoor. Sources telling us that it is a Bengaluru-made suicide drone that was used in this operation. These suicide drones were the ones that went right into Pakistan, into the heart of Pakistan, even near Lahore, and hit the exact location in those precision strikes. And interestingly, we understand that this Bengaluru-developed Sky Striker, as it's called, it's a suicide drone. It's made its operational debut with Operation Sindoor, which was used essentially for going ahead and striking at those terror targets. These Sky Striker drones are designed to locate, acquire, strike enemy targets with high precision. So a made-in-India drone was used in Operation Sindoor. These drones are loitering munitions capable of carrying a 5-kilo warhead and delivering direct fire aerial precision attacks within a range of 100 kilometers. So in some locations which were far away, you had the Scalp missile being used because there's a long-range cruise missiles. In other cases, where the distance was just about 100 kilometers, we know that these drones, developed by Bengaluru-based Alpha Design in collaboration with Israel's Elbit Systems, were actually used. These drones were inducted into the Indian Army under a 2021 procurement contract. 100 drones are currently with the Army. I'd like to bring in Shivani Sharma for more details on this. So Shivani, what we're seeing is essentially a made-in-India drone that was used in Operation Sindoor, and we understand that this was the first time this drone was actually used.
Certainly, Akshita, though we are not getting official details yet due to the reasons we understand, but what we are getting to know through the sources, the kind of and the combination of weapon systems and warheads that were used for Operation Sindoor have once again shown the world the power of India and the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan that has been going on, especially the defense forces since last few years, where we are procuring made-in-India weapons. This particular suicide drone that was made in India in Bengaluru in collaboration with the Israeli company is being said to be one of the multiple assets that were utilized for Operation Sindoor. These warheads are the loitering smart ammunitions which are used for such kind of operations that we saw. Their pinpoint accuracy, they can precisely find their target, and then they can hit it with pinpoint accuracy in a range of 100 kilometers. So this is once again an achievement on the part of Indian Defence Forces that are more and more getting self-reliant in past few years, and this particular drone that is being said to be one of the parts of multiple missiles and bombs that were used in this excellent strategically planned Operation Sindoor that has hit Pakistan hard on its terror outputs.
Explain to us, Shivani, how exactly these drones work. They're referred to as suicide drones, and the footage that we also saw of those strikes, if I'm not wrong, were actually shot by these drones, were from these drones.
See, Akshita, what we are given to understand is that in this whole operation, there were multiple assets used. There were these drones, there were missiles that were being carried by the Indian Air Force's fighters, and there was a clear division onto the kind of targets due to their range, their distances, and 70% of these targets are being said to be hit by these munition suicide drones that have been utilized out there, and other also. So Indian Army was also involved there. And these particular drones are used by the Indian Army, for your information and the information of our viewers too. And the Rafale jets and the Sukhois that were also one of the assets that were utilized for this. They were carrying what we are given to understand through the sources. So this whole information has not been put out officially, but what we are given to understand from the sources that this was an excellently designed operation with all lethal weapon system, all the smart ammunition, the smart loitering munitions we call them, and multiple other assets that the Indian Army, Navy and the Indian Air Force have. For that matter, the Indian Navy was also vigilant and was using its surveillance aircraft P-8I in the skies when all this operation was happening. So this is a combination and the synergy between the forces, and the best of all arms were utilized in this particular operation. And when we talk about the specifics, these are the suicide drones that have been inducted recently in past 2 to 3 years, because in 2021 The emergency procurement orders were given out by the army for these drones, and Israel has been a close defense tie of India. So these drones have been made in India in collaboration with the Israeli company. They have the payload carrying capacity of 5 kilometers. That means they can get inside the enemy targets with the pinpoint accuracy and hit it, destroy it with accuracy and lethality. Because Indian Army and Indian Armed Forces, for that matter, they were very much particular about the fact that they did not have to hit here and there, but pinpoint on these terror hubs of the terrorists in Pakistan. They did not want to touch the civil population. They did not want to touch the military establishments and infrastructure. So focused, measured strike was demanded, and for that matter, these smart ammunitions or the smart loitering munitions, the suicide drones were used, which have been proved to be one of the most lethal in recent conflicts over the world. Also, you've seen Akshita, Russia-Ukraine war, or the other wars. We've seen how these suicide drones have been quite significantly effective. In India, these drones were being used for such an operation for the first time, and they have been proved to be the lethal, and they did excellent work. That's what we could also see in the footage that has been now put out by the army.
So these Desi suicide drones have essentially ensured to a large extent the success of Operation Sindoor. Thanks very much, Shivani, for those details.